So basically, he likes my nails, so he's biting them. He's eating my nails, my fingers. And now the second one is sitting on me too, guys. Ah, that bite hurts. Go away, your bites hurt. Do you really enjoy biting so hard? Will you just talk to me instead? That's it. Will you talk to me?
These are our parrots from around the world. These are my friends who brought me here. And they are so adorable. How do we look together? Does it suit me? Do these friends suit me? If the dog turns around, can I sit here or not?
I will manage.
The fox is gentle too. She'll caress him until he falls asleep.
Stand tall, beautiful swan.
Okay, let's call to reach the basket now. Gang, everything will be fine. I love you.
The fox is gentle too. She'll caress him until he falls asleep.
So, my friend, play with him, Lashka, like this. Good boy, good boy, good boy. Can I take it now? Go ahead. I found a spot for him. There she is. Come here. Look, they seem to like them. I'm a bit scared, but I think so. I love it. Hello. Look at this amazing place we're at today. We have parrots here. Look how beautiful they are. He's watching, saying hi to everyone. He's so big. Take a look too. They're so beautiful, absolutely gorgeous. I have a feeder, but he hasn't landed yet. We chose this one that flew to us, though he's not recommended. Let's feed the little one. Look how he holds it with his paw. Oh my goodness, look how lovely, how wonderful. Oh, Katya sat on me. Sat right on me. Amazing. So now I've got this new buddy. He doesn't leave my side because we've become great friends. And he's always giving us a tour. What a good friend. He doesn't leave me. He didn't like the food. I think he liked the plate instead. You're my sweet, you're my good boy. Now we're inseparable friends. Truly inseparable. Hard to explain myself. Right? My friend and I keep chatting. Hello, hello, how are you? What's happening? Who's that with you? Who's that? Did you see that? Well, nothing. We continue our discussion. Oh my goodness. Now we're relaxing after such a hard day. I'm recording this little video. Adult hangout. sleeves. Move forward here, place here, look somewhere. Why not? But how is posing against the wall different from posing while standing? The pose becomes more relaxed. We can feel this support. We don't need to stand on just two legs. And this lightness, a bit of fluidity appears here. That's cool. Next. So what we've done with you is add the hips. That's one point of contact. If we're touching with our buttocks, then we lift our shoulder blades. If we squeeze together like this again, nothing good will come. Therefore, we touch